The greatest factor of stress during international travel is jet lag. This confusion in your biological clock could be stabilized. Spine being the neuroconductor, it is of extreme importance. It is kept stress-free. Travel is a time when spine takes maximum beating. Taking special care regarding these two aspects of the spine could greatly relieve the stress. As your body is only a composite form of the food that you consume, to be conscious of what you ingest before and during the travel can play an important role in determining the stress levels that you experience during and after your journey. When the body is being put through speed travel, which involves crossing time zones, it is best to consume food substances with very high water content like fruits and fresh vegetables, and above all, to consume as much pure water as possible before, during and at least 24 hours after the completion of your journey. It is best to avoid intoxicants and stimulants like alcohol and caffeine. It is also best to avoid food substances which tend to remain in your stomach bag for more than 3 hours, like red meat, complex mixtures of carbohydrates and fats, and deep-fried foods. Spine being the neuroconductor, it is of extreme importance. It is kept stress-free and well activated for overall well-being. Travel is a time when spine takes maximum beating due to inconvenient postures that the body may have to take for long hours. In the yogic system, the spine is referred to as the Merudanda or the axis of your universe, as all individual human experience is essentially generated and transmitted through the spine. It is general experience that most people, when stressed, will notice stiffness in the upper part of the spine or the neck and the lower or lumbar part of the spine. Taking special care regarding these two aspects of the spine could greatly relieve the stress that tends to manifest in the form of spinal stiffness, which could further snowball into more serious problems of the spine. The greatest factor of stress during international travel is jet lag or confusion in the physical and energy system about the time zone into which you have traveled. This confusion in your biological clock could be stabilized by exposing your spine to sunlight either directly or through thin clothing for a minimum of 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. This, along with other tools of Upayoga, could largely handle and minimize the period of jet lag.